Hey there, beautiful people. It's your favorite girl, Sweet Angel, and welcome to day 7 of our 30 Days of Natural Remedies from the Past challenge. Today we're talking about one of nature's most refreshing gifts, witch hazel. This old school beauty remedy has been around for centuries, and for good reason. It's gentle, effective, and works wonders for keeping your skin clean, calm, and toned naturally. Witch hazel is known for its natural astringent properties, meaning it tightens pores, reduces oil, and helps soothe irritation. After cleansing, I love sweeping a little witch hazel over my face. It gives my skin that refreshed, balanced feeling. No harsh alcohol, no sting, just pure, gentle toning. It's also great for calming redness, soothing bug bites, or even a post-shave refresher for smooth, healthy skin. What I love most is how natural it is. No fancy ingredients, just tried and true simplicity that stood the test of time. If your skin gets a little cranky sometimes, whether it's from weather changes, makeup, or stress, witch hazel helps bring it right back into balance. So if you haven't added this classic beauty must-have to your routine, now's the time. Try out a high-quality alcohol-free witch hazel toner and feel the difference nature makes. I'll drop my favorite link below so you can check it out. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me tomorrow for day 8. We're keeping the natural beauty love going strong. Stay beautiful, stay sweet, and keep glowing the natural way.
Free. The leaves are falling, but I'm rising high. Shook off the shadows, left the pain behind. Every storm I weathered taught me to believe. Now the sun is shining, there's a brand new